In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a clean social media posting workflow in ClickUp. We'll build a simple, repeatable system you can use to plan, schedule, and track every post across your channels. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or the desktop app and logging in. If you're brand new to the tool, don't worry, we're keeping this very straightforward. Inside ClickUp, create a new space and name it Social Media. A space is like a dedicated home for one area of your work, so keeping all social content here makes it easy to stay organized. While you create the space, make sure the list feature is enabled. Lists will be the backbone for managing content. Next, add a folder inside that space and call it Content Workflow. Think of the folder as the container for your posting process. It separates this workflow from anything else you might add to the space later. Within that folder, create a list named Post Schedule. This is where every piece of content you plan to publish will live. You'll track status, due dates, and responsibilities right here. Now add a task for each post you plan to publish. Clear names help a ton. Try titles like Instagram post, promo, Facebook update, or TikTok video. One task equals one post. You can use the task description for captions or links. And attach assets so everything stays in one place. To make your list truly work for you, add custom fields. Include platform to specify where it's going, post type for the format, publish date so the schedule is crystal clear, and assigned creator so it's obvious who owns the draft. These fields make filtering and sorting painless. Set up statuses to reflect your process: idea, draft, scheduled, and posted. As a task moves forward, just update the status so everyone knows exactly where things stand. Quick note before we plan, there's a link at the top of the description where you can open ClickUp on the web or download the desktop app if you prefer working locally. To review and schedule your content, use the different views. List view is great for details and editing fields in bulk. Calendar view lets you drag posts to the exact publish date. Board view shows each status as a column, which is perfect for spotting bottlenecks at a glance. That's it! You now have a clean social media posting workflow in ClickUp to plan, schedule, and track content easily. Thanks for watching.